Everyone, we are hitting 1 year of the Pillow Talk podcast.
Oh,
So
yes.
thanks
Oh,
to
actually,
everyone.
this
We'll be
episode
hitting
will
it.
come out on the day that we
Will
hit
come
1 year. Yeah.
exactly, yeah.
Yeah.
So it'll come out on the day we hit 1 year. So if you're a true friend, please comment happy 1 year to the Pillow Talk podcast and put in some nice words. And if you dislike our video, then
Yes.
anyway. So since it's Holi, 2 days after you view this podcast, and Jay and I are always discussing. I tell Jay why Holi sucks, and Jay tells me why Diwali sucks. But but because we are both very idealistic Hindu children, we think both festivals are great. But I don't like the.
My favorite festival is Eid. What anyone wants to do with that information is up to them, but my favorite festival is Eid.
But no, so I think Holi gets very dirty,
Messy.
and that's because of my personal experiences as well, which is why I feel safer on Diwali, even though Diwali has its own set of cons, but I don't like getting dirty that much.
Yeah.
So anyway,
No, I'll
yeah,
tell
go
you
on.
what the
You were
problem
saying
with
something.
Diwali is. So your personal experience is
Yeah,
that you get dirty during Holi time, right?
yeah,
So
yeah.
this happened a few years back, but it happened 2 years consecutively where I was trying to be cool. So I took a Lakshmi bomb, I lit it in my hand, and then I was just
Every stupid story starts with the I was trying to be cool.
and then I was waiting for it to just be on the edge of bursting and throw it, right?
Yep,
And I
do
did
it.
it, but it burst in my hand. I was too late. This happened twice.
But that reminds me of another similar Diwali story where a rocket went like shoot right next to my neck.
Shit.
But anyway, we'll discuss Diwali stories once we are closer to Diwali.
Yeah.
But yeah, so this week we wanted to cover a lot of the holy stories that Jay has, a lot of the stories that I have had, and why particularly I don't like getting messy on
Holi is
Holi.
great, man. I love Holi.
I think I think so. My so it was actually the funnest Holi I've had, and also the messiest Holi I've had, which has made me not like it.
Okay.
So even though in the moment it was fun, but
In retrospect, it wasn't.
when
Yeah.
I had to wash all the pink color off my neck and off my
Hmm.
back, that wasn't a great experience. So that Holi, I think I was at a friend's house. I was having a sleepover. I was very young, and I came back, and my sister was ready. I was ready. We were all going downstairs to play Holi with my friends in my colony, and that was a time when I was growing thoda sa, and my friends were not completely my age. They were a few years elder to me, and I didn't know what to expect of this particular friends group, which I was playing Holi with them for the first time. So anyway, I was there with my water
You got me.
backpack,
Almost falling down, but still on your back.
got
Yeah.
backpack of my water on my back with the bag and with my pichkari ready, and I thought it's going to be another water Holi, and I had some color in my pocket. Like if someone comes, gulal and pani. What I didn't know was that these guys had found and prepared a puddle of kichad
It's always the
for
kitchen. It is always the
everyone,
kitchen.
for everyone who's going to come. But anyway, it that's not how it started. It started very low key with water and with gulal and everything, a little bit of color, and then suddenly one person that are ye to pakka rang tha. And as soon as that information was made public, then it was WWE no holds barred, no disqualification match, and everyone was right into it. The person who got all the pakka rang on
Pakkarang.
his face and neck, he went straight to the grocery store which is near our house. Obviously, got a tray of eggs and started flinging it at people. he didn't realize that if you hit someone from a distance, it's not a great experience when it hits you.
I mean, we found out about that later on in another Holi as well.
Yeah, but anyway, so that's how the level of Holi was amped up. And once it was Pakka Rang, then Ande, then inevitable Kichad was obviously there. So 4 people, or because of my size, only 2 people were required. So 2 people picked me up, threw me into that puddle. I want to show this to everyone. Wait. And once they threw me into the puddle, let's say I'm in this puddle. This is Manan right here. He's in the Kichad. And then they start flinging Kichad on your body. Obviously, which you have to. So anyway, so yeah, so that is how that Holi was. And then I came back home, and my mom didn't let me enter the house for about 15 minutes. She said, "You get dry first outside the house,
And then
and then you come and run straight to the terrace where you wash yourself. No one's giving you any water from inside. Use the tap that is outside. No one's giving you any water." So anyway, and because of all the eggs and everything in my head, I said, shampoo to de do. And then I got the shampoo and I rinsed my hair and everything. Kichad was off, egg was off, eggshells were also off. But what wasn't off was the Pakka Rang. To this date, I am against Pakka Rang. I don't like looking like a pink person the next day of Holi.
अरे बेटी पुष्पा कहाँ जा रही हो अपने गधे पर बैठकर?
So anyway, yeah. So that is my worst Holi, which has made me very against the whole. So I like Holi, but I'm against the concept of Pakka Rang. So if you're playing Holi with me, shut up and keep your Pakka Rang to you.
I'm getting Pakka Rang this Holi. You can do what you want to about that.
Yeah, but what was your worst Holi?
Yeah, so it's actually an extremely similar story, okay? So in my colony also, the problem was that there weren't a lot of kids my age. So I was playing with kids who were 2 years, 3 years older to me. And at that time, if I was in 5th or 6th, they were in 8th, 9th, 7th, 8th, whatever. So it wasn't, a very drastic gap, but there was still a gap.
Yeah.
So I came down and with obviously my pichkari, a packet full of water balloons. कि पिचकारी का पानी खत्म हो गया तो इसमें से ले लेके मारूंगा. There and मैंने so as soon as I came, I saw my friends. दूर से ही पहले पानी मारा, पानी मेरा instantly it just ran out of water. Okay, so now they started. Yeah. The entire thing. Yeah. I was relentless.
Gone.
Right.
Yeah.
Now those guys know that my water has run out. So they start charging towards me. I said, I still have my balloons. So I keep the packet on the floor, take one out, it bursts in my hand. Okay.
Oh, no.
I take another one out, that hits one person, but by this time they've all reached. And what they've done is that they've taken balloons out of my packet and they started hitting me with them. Okay, so this happened. It was a good introduction. Happy Holi, happy Holi. And then, obviously, being the alpha group of the colony, we create this. It's a band of 8, 10, 12 people who are just roaming around looking for people that they can, terrorize. This is happening for a while. This goes on. And now we encounter bhaiyas. Bhaiyas are 11th, 12th or first year college students of that time. And they have made their own Kichad ka pit. Okay. And now us being us, we decided to take them on as well on Holi. So we go to their
to find out who the real alpha group is.
Yeah, so we go to their area. We're all little kids and they're all big kids. So as soon as we reach there, one person just picks us up and throws us in the Kichad.
Yeah.
Now we have Kichad all over us. Now what to do? So now we are again roaming around the colony, and then one of my friends, he decides that. So in our colony, we have tankers which have been placed outside houses and some on top and some somewhere. So there were a lot of tankers which were on the ground as well. So one of my friends says कि ये मेरा tanker है, इसको खोल लेते हैं. क्या करोगे खोल के? Tanker खोला, And then he started climbing inside. Right? So he's climbed inside, he's cleaned himself. Now everyone else says ki, हाँ मैं भी करूँगा, मैं भी करूँगा. I said, I'm not doing this. So they said कि ऐसे कैसे तू नहीं कर रहा?
No, but you have personal tankers for each house.
Yeah.
Okay.
Right? So he said that this is my tanker. Everyone climbs inside and cleans themselves from here. So now a few people along with me revolted कि पागल हो क्या? ये सब थोड़ी करना है. And I was in class 5. Okay, so I had this much sense even then कि this
Level
is
of
wrong.
maturity.
Yeah, but I was still forcefully put in.
Boom! 2 + 2 is 4. -1, that's 3. Quick maths.
And I'm waiting, and my mom's waiting for me. So she's looking down, ki kab aayega, kab aayega, kab aayega. And she sees me, torn t-shirt with all of my body just flailing about. ये क्या हुआ?
Scratched.
And scratched. ये क्या हुआ? बोले मम्मा अरे होली है यार, हो जाता है. मैंने कहा ठीक है तू ऊपर आ. I thought Mama was fine. This happens, it's holy. But that day again, I was not allowed to enter the house for at least half an hour till I had completely dried. And then I was also told to rush to the terrace where I was handed one solitary pipe to clean myself and then deem myself worthy to enter the house. But
What makes
with all
you
that
think-
trauma,
Yeah, go on.
with all that trauma, I still love Holi. As long as it doesn't get violent, it's fine. Pakka rang, kichad, grease, ande, everything's fine. Just don't get violent.
Even after so much trauma, we decide to play Holi each year, and Jay and I have played Holi twice.
Thrice.
Okay, the best story that we have of us
Stories.
playing Holi together
Stories.
from school. That is the Holi that I have only one regret from that Holi, but which I'll tell you about. But other than that, it was a fabulous Holi. So it was at one of our friend's house from school called Dhruv, and like all other Holis, there was pakka rang, water balloons. Also, the concept of water balloons is also very flawed because you spend one night making it and then you waste all of them in less
You
than
don't
10
spend
minutes.
one night, you spend a few hours in the morning and then you have to get up and prepare beforehand.
Yeah, we had water balloons rung, and we were also playing Holi with some of the cruelest people who wanted to have some water in their hands, put some pakka rang, rub it, and just put it on your face. And also, pakka rang is very crystallized and solid
Yeah,
particles,
it
so
cuts,
it scratches
yeah,
your it scratches your skin. So you know who you are. Then we realized it was not too much fun playing
Being
with each
just
other.
amongst ourselves, yeah.
Yeah, so we decided to change our opponents. And what happened then, Jay?
We also had eggs and everything, and we started roaming around the streets of Vasant Kunj. That फिर से हम alpha दिखाते हैं कौन है. So it's around 5 of us, 6 of us. I don't
Maybe more,
remember
bro.
exactly how many of us.
Maybe more.
Yeah, maybe more. Right, so we're roaming around. We're looking for people to play Holi with. We find a few people from our school. We meet them. Happy Holi. And now we're walking just on the side of the main road. Right,
Yeah.
Manan, Raj, and Dhruv, I think, are walking slightly ahead, and me and Kabir, another friend of ours from school, we are walking unke thoda sa piche. Suddenly we hear this jeep just beaming beside us, but we keep walking,
Showing us who
because
the true
alphas were.
alpha is.
Yeah, and they were shouting ki, "Oh, Holi," and they're throwing some things from their jeep. None of it hits us, so we just keep walking. But suddenly I realize that now I'm walking alone and Kabir's not walking with me anymore. So I look back and Kabir's sitting on the pavement and he has his hand on his chin. Okay. So I go to him and I ask him, ki, bro, kya hua? And he's fucking furious. Okay. At this point, he's boiling. And he has 2-3
And he
eggs
has,
on his hand. Yeah.
Yeah.
And those were the few of the last eggs that we had. Okay. And he was so angry that instead of cracking those eggs on people, he just throws them on the road and the eggs are done for. Right. But then, as he removes his hand from his chin, we see that the people from the jeep had actually thrown an egg, which got him right here. And it was
Yeah,
as good as a
and-
knockout because But
Yeah.
and Kabir goes down.
Huge look from Blahovic. What pulled down Jan Blahovic.
And then one by one, all of us realize what's happened. So then Manan turns around, Dhruv turns around, Raj turns around. And we come and we talk to Kabir. But at that point, he's inconsolable. Like he's extremely angry. But
And
somehow
he
we
wants
get past
revenge.
that. Yeah, he wants revenge. We couldn't get that revenge, but we
Yeah.
get past that. And then Manan proceeds to do something to Raj, which we all know
So-
shouldn't have happened because A, Manan was
is-
standing too close, and B,
Which
there
is
were
my
other
only
reasons
regret
that we
from
had
that
to-
only.
Yeah, but there were other reasons that all of us were aware of. कि ये नहीं करना Raj के साथ. But I think this is a story that is better when Manan tells it, and then I tell you what I observed.
We're all just exiting Dhruv's garden and going to his house to take a bath one by one. Suddenly I realized that there's a bucket over here with like one water balloon, singular water balloon left which haven't been used. पहले अब क्या ही करना है, होली खत्म हो चुकी है. I took the water balloon. Raj and I were leaving the garden, and Raj was, if I am here, Raj is here. Raj is here, and I take this water balloon in my right hand. Raj is walking, and I hit him. And I hit him, and
With full force. It's not like he just,
Yeah, yeah.
places it on the side of his head and then, bursts it.
burst
Guma
it,
ke mara, guma ke.
so I hit him, and then suddenly have to enact it as well again. The next thing I notice is, wait, yeah, as soon as I hit Raj from the side, Raj gets hit, and Raj.
He runs down to.
and Raj just collapses on the ground. And at that moment, I'm laughing because I was just like, yeah, what has happened? It's just a water balloon. But then, then what I realized was that was Raj's infected ear, which wasn't supposed to be hit with water at any time in his life. Not even while bathing does he have to put water in that ear. But me being me, slammed his ear with water. And then there was some water balloon ka aise wo rubber coming out from his ear. So I pulled it out. Raj is down on outside the garden, and that is when Jay sees us. Were you inside the garden or were you inside Dhruv's house?
No, so I was right behind you guys, okay?
Okay.
And so I didn't see it when you actually hit him with the balloon because I had my back to you guys. Right? You hit him. Impact was obviously quite significant because I could hear it. The putt, like it was very, very audible. So all of us turn around and none of us realize that that's the infected ear. So all of us are laughing and we can't control ourselves because Raj seems to have lost all sense, right? Like Manan said, he was dangling from one place to the other.
Yeah.
So we are all laughing, and then Raj somehow musters up the words and says, "Abhi yaar, ye is kaan pe nahi marna tha." And then Manan's face just drops because he realizes what he's done. Okay, but he's still laughing because it's still funny. Like it happens, it's funny. Everyone's laughing, right? So then Raj just looks for a place where he can sit down, and there were these 2 steps from Dhruv's garden to the house where Raj, sits down. And since this was around the time when we were ending our entire Holi, so everyone had removed their slippers and everything, so that before entering Dhruv's house, we weren't, carrying any keychain with us. So then Raj asks the 5 of us who are there, "Ki, koi meri chappal le aao." So all of us are looking for Raj's chappal. We can't find it anywhere, okay? Like we cannot see it. Raj says, "Bhai, please chappal de do." We just can't see it. So we tell him, "Ki Raj, no, chappal nahi hai andar, nahi hai idhar, nahi hai." And he's adamant he hai, and we are adamant he nahi hai. So Raj, in that condition, gets up, somehow finds his chappal from all the keychain.
Bro, the chappal was right next to him. he was either sitting on the chappal, or he was covering the chappal somehow because no one could find it. And Raj got up and saw his chappal, and then he wore the chappal.
And then he went straight into Dhruv's house. No conversation with anyone, nothing. He just goes in.
हम कुत्तों से बात नहीं करते.
Yeah, but anyway, I think another regret that I have of Holi and something I want to do in the future, in my upcoming years, is taste bhang with almond milk preferably. With almond milk preferably, because the first time that I was made aware of the concept of bhang was by my father, because that's when he told me his story, that once he was given bhang just like without any information that this is bhang. So once he had bhang and he had quite a lot of it, and then he came back home and Dadi offered him food or whatever after playing Holi. Everyone's very hungry and tired after Holi. So Dadi offered him food. There was puri and something. And I think that is the day when my father ate like 20 puris or something. And
Uncle had his
and-
munchies.
and then he said after having that meal, and I went to my bed, and for the next few hours I felt like I was completely suspended in air. And I was floating in the air right above my bed. And since he's told me about this story, that is the point in my life where I thought that
I
this is
also
what I
want to
want.
float in the air. Yeah.
I also want to float in the air because of bhang. But anyway, life's taken a different course where I can only have bhang with almond milk now. So, in case any one of you has bhang this Holi, please hit me up. We'll have bhang together. I'll get my almond milk. Don't worry. But yeah, so that's the goal of Holi this year.
Yeah, this Holi, there are a few things that I'm making sure happen. One is documenting on the Pillow Talk podcast Insta page, putting Pakka Rang on Manan, where he's explicitly told us that he doesn't like it.
अगर मेरे पे पक्का रहेगा,
This is going on the story. This is
That-
content
that
that
is
I'm-
that is the end of the Pillow Talk podcast and our Holi's together.
this is content that I'm planning already, right? And to make up for the Pakka Rang, we will make arrangements to get almond milk bhang milk.
Based bhang.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So these two things are happening this whole. That's all the Holi content that we have for now. Hopefully we get more Holi content this year. We will. Don't worry about that. But
Hopefully you're doing well, Raj. Hopefully no one's injured your ear after that. I'm really sorry, brother. I really am.
you too, Kabir. We'll get the revenge on those guys someday. Don't worry about it.
Yeah.
Yeah, we'll get it. But yeah, so if you guys have any such Holi stories, or if you want to share what your dirtiest Holi was, then let us know, because we want to see if Manan and I can beat your story, or if you guys can beat ours. And
I don't want to beat your dirtiest Holi ever in my
no,
life.
I want to beat your dirtiest Holi. There's no doubt about this. I want to be the person who's played the dirtiest Holi ever. And
I
let's
don't
see
want to
who
play Holi
comes
with Jay
here.
anymore. Help.